Good afternoon. This is another Life with Larry. I want to show you what I've been doing this afternoon. Project today was cutting back all of the coleus that I have and putting them in little pots, getting ready for the November garage sale. So I will take all these little cuttings of coleus. They're beautiful colors. This is one of my favorites. I don't know names for them, but this is a red and it's got the little yellow or green edge. It reminds me of lace. So what I do is I just go and I've just trimmed this piece. This is one that I have growing in the yard, and cut it, and the roots will actually come out right here. These are so easy to transplant. Just take your cutting, and I'm going to stick it right down in dirt, and this will end up rooting. I've already I had a bunch of these. I had this pot filled with a bunch of these earlier today, and I took them out because they all had roots, and I put them in these little cups that I'll be selling at the garage sale. So this gives me two plants. It has the red, and then I stuck a little yellow one in there to accent the edges of the plant. So that's today's project, getting these ready for the fall garage sale. These should be all rooted in a couple weeks and ready to sell. All right, just another fun day in the yard. Like us and share. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.